How to apply Qatar Airways cabin crew online. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and then move into the site of Qatar Airlines. Once you are inside the site, click on Apply Now and then click on Accept. The very first thing you want to do is to upload your CV. Click on Upload CV and then upload it from your files. Once you are done, the next thing you want to do is enter your personal information. Enter your first name, middle name, and your last name. After that, enter the country of residency. Now the next step you want to do is enter your additional information. Answer the question that you have been asked here. After you are done, enter your graduation date, your qualification type, qualification title. Also enter the name of the school that you have studied. After that, you have to enter your experience. Enter your employer name, your most recent position held, and the startup date. Also enter your end date. Once you are done filling up all of the information, click on Continue. You will be landing on this page. All you want to do is reply with No. And then click on Continue at the bottom right. Now once again enter your full name and then enter the application date. After that, click on Submit. Once you click on Submit, the application will be applied successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can apply Qatar Airways cabin crew online. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.